Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's session, we'll see integration 2 marks, 36 question number. Evaluate integration log x dx, my dear students. So first you write the given question. We'll discuss it. Integration of log x, my dear students. Integration of log x is what? Maximum students will say 1 by x. Yes or no? So only few students will think, see, derivative of log x is also 1 by x. Then you are saying integration is also what? 1 by x only. It's going wrong or not? So please think and answer. Integration of log x is not 1 by x, my dear students. Then how to solve this question now? Maximum students will stuck here. In exam you will ask, write the integration or integrate or evaluate integration of log x. Then you will write maximum yes. You will ask others one another. The integration of 1 by x is there. No. You will get 0 marks otherwise. And I am there. Don't worry. I will not make you to get 0 marks in finals. Don't worry. Trust on Maths Lageraho. We will reach 100 of 100. Fine. So now see here. How to solve this one? You see. Integration of log x into 1. If I write log x into 1, any problem? Log x into 1 is what? Log x only? Yes or no? So when we are considering by ourselves for something here, that is taken as what here? V, my dear students. Here islet condition will come. So islet condition is what? Logarithm come first. Then what? Algebra will come. Yes or no? U into V, my dear students. So how to solve this one? U into V, you know the formula. Can I remind you? See here. In previous videos also we have seen U into V how to solve. So U into V I am solving here. Observe here. U is written as is integration of V you have to take. And integration you write derivative of U you take. Integration of V you have to take. So now dx into dx. One more dx will come because two integrations are there. Fine. So now this is the formula for what? Integration of u into v. So you already know logarithm and algebra 1 is there. V you have taken second. So now u into v you see. Whenever we are considering by ourselves into 1 or into something you are writing, that is always place it as v only, my dear students, in integration. So now see. U into v, u is what? Log x I will write. Log x is written. Integration of 1. Integration of 1 I can write dx here minus integration of derivative of what? Derivative of log x, my dear students. And integration of what? 1 again. Dx is there. I will write as is. Outside dx is there. Will you agree? I am substituting in this one. This formula, v I am substituting. Don't get confused. Clear? So now how to solve this one? You see. You know very well. Derivative of x is what, my dear students? Derivative of x is what? 1 or not? 1 integration is what? Ulta. X. 1 integration is what? Integration of 1. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is what? 1. Integration of 1 is x, my dear students. So integration of 1 is what? X minus derivative of log x. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x. Integration of 1, just now you have seen x dx, one more is there, one more I have left. Clear? So now x get cancelled. What you are left with? So x into log x I can write. Log x into x is also same. X into log x is also same. I can write minus integration of 1. Only you are left with 1 here. So x are cancelled. Integration of 1 is what? X plus c. This is our required answer, my dear students. Fine. So I hope you understood this one. We will see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question, my dear students. 37. Find integration 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x dx. So how to solve this one, my dear students? Please observe. So he has given this is a definite integral. Why definite integral means it is having upper limit also, lower limit also. When upper and lower limits are there, that time plus c will not come, my dear students. Only in indefinite condition plus c will come, not for definite. Clear? So now how to solve this one? First you write the given question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x dx, my dear students. Integration of cos 2x is what? Cos x integration. If you don't remember cos x integration, at least you know derivative of sin x. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Cos x integration only sin x, my dear students. Clear? Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x integration only sin x, my dear students. Now integration of cos x is what? Sin x. Here it is not x. X is related with 2, no? Then you have to divide by 2, my dear students. X के साथ कौन सा नंबर रहता है ना, वो डिवाइड करना. X ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now see, you are having intervals pi by 2 and 0, my dear students. Clear? So for this 1 by 2 I will take out. This 2 I will take out. So 1 by 2 is taken out. What you are left with? Sin 2x pi by 2 0, my dear students. Now substitute the values. Sin 2x in the place of upper limit you have to substitute first. In place of x you have to substitute pi by 2. Sin 2 into pi by 2. And when you are substituting 0, no, lower limit, that time you have to write minus sign. Sin 2 into 0. Lower limit is 0, my dear students. I am putting here x value as 0. Lower limit second you have to substitute. So 2 get cancelled. Sin pi value is how much? Sin pi. Sin pi. Sin pi how to remember? I have already told you. Teri pi, meri pi, iska pi, uska pi, sabka pi 0 होता है. Got it? So sin pi is 0. Sin 2 into 0, 0. Sin 0 is how much? 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 into half is 0. So this is our required answer, my dear students. I hope you understood this one. Please copy this. And if you are understanding and like the channel also, my dear students, so we are not asking you any money for you. So just we you have to like the channel, my dear students. And ज़्यादा पूछे तो एक कमेंट दे दो, अच्छा लगे तो, नहीं तो नहीं. Fine. So please copy this. We will see the next question, my dear students. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question, my dear students. 38th question. Evaluate integration cos x divided by square root 4 minus sin square x dx. So how to solve, my dear students? You observe integration of, first you write the given question. This is a halva question for you. Square root of 4 minus sin square x. Board is giving halva for you. Halva. See, halva means what? Very sweet, no? So this is also very sweetest question. Maths is also like that only. Maths is not easy. It is easiest. It is not difficult. It is different, my dear students. Try to understand here. So how to solve this one? This is the easiest question. You know that halva. So put t is equal to what? Put t is equal to sin x. I can put. Put t is equal to what? Sin x, my dear students. And you know function is an x means I will take the derivative with respect to x only. Whenever we are putting something t is equal to, always remember in integration we have to take the derivative, my dear students. When you are putting t is equal to something, no, that time you have to take the derivative, my dear students. So now derivative I will take with respect to x. dt by dx it will become t derivative is dt by dx. Sin x derivative is cos x, my dear students. So now dt I will write as is this dx I will cross multiply. So what will get? Cos x into dx. Dx is cross multiplied. Clear? So now start substituting. Integration of cos x dx is what? Cos x dx. dt or not? dt I can write whole divided by 4 I can write it as 2 square. 4 I can write it as 2 square minus sin x is taken as what? Sin x is taken as t. Sin square means t square I can write. Sin x is taken as t. Sin square means t square, my dear students. Integration of dt divided by square root 2 square minus t square. So what is the integration of? We have one formula, my dear students, in 7.4 exercise. Again we are relating 7.4. So now integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx. We have a formula, my dear students. What formula? Sin inverse x by a, my dear students. So what we are having? We have a formula sin inverse x by a plus c, my dear students. This is the formula for what? 1 upon square root a square minus x square. So now we can substitute the values now. See here. It is also looking like same, only in place of x, t is there. Just you remember, in place of x, it is t. Now understood? In place of x, what it is? T or not? So now sin inverse. Sin inverse. X is what? What is x? T. And what is a? A is what? 2 plus c. Understood or not? A square he has not asked. Don't write 2 square. He has told you to write only a, not a square. A value is 2. A square means 2 square. So now what is t, my dear students? T value. So I will write here only. So sin inverse t is what? What is t you have taken? So that is t is taken as what? Sin x. So sin x divided by how much? Divided by 2 plus c, my dear students. I hope you understood this one. So if you are understanding this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, my dear students. Please like and share to your friends and subscribe also. Fine. So we'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, my dear students. Please copy.